What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, man? We back with another one, man. Today I'm out here at Merritt Mill Park over here in Mariana, Florida. I'm gonna see if I can get on some bait, try to catch a couple of bluegills, put a couple of bluegill in the bucket. Then we're gonna head over to Three Rivers State Park, see if we can get a big blue cat. So I'm gonna try to do this real fast. Probably see if we can get about 4 or 5 bluegill. Put them in the water, try to keep them live. Get over there to Sneeze, Florida. That's about 30 minutes from over here. Let's see if we can get a big cat. Stay tuned, baby. God dang, these mosquitoes out here, boy. I don't know if you guys know about Merritt Mill Pond. It's a clear water pond. Well, it used to be a clear water pond until I don't know, some hydrilla got into it off of somebody's boat, and it spread like wildfire throughout the whole pond. But this pond used to be super clear. All the locals tell me it used to be the most beautiful pond ever, man. I wish I'd have got to see it in its heyday. I'm trying to find a good spot where the bluegillies will be at. See if we can get to them. Should have put a little weight on the end of that hook. That worm ain't getting down at all. These gnats are tearing me up, boy. I got one. That's a little bass. We don't need you, buddy. You are not what we've been looking for. Little largy. Stay out the street, my boy. Sidewalk safer. That was a horrible catch. Y'all seen that? Y'all seen that horrible catch? I don't know if y'all can see me over here doing the mosquito dance, but it's not a good dance. I'll tell you that. I think it'll get me a little weight. Oh, got one. That's what we want. That's a nice size one too. There's number one. Hey buddy, calm down. Just want to see you on YouTube. I mean, I'm gonna use your bait later, but the YouTube just wants to see you. That's one. About 4 or 5 more to go. Might do all this off of one worm. Oh, someone hit it as soon as it hit the water. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. That is a big boy. I might have to throw him back. You gotta go back and go get that grow up. Nah, you're bait, bro. I'm sorry. That's a nice one, man. Pretty fish, too. Look at that. That's a nice bluegill there. Is that even a bluegill? It's a sunfish. Yo, this is a beast of a damn bluegill. He gotta go back. He gotta go back. I ain't gonna use you as bait, my boy. You're probably the biggest bluegill ever. That's a sunfish. Put that gut on her. Been down there chomping. You'll make good bait, buddy, but you'll go back. You're a big girl, big boy. That was a nice size one now. Had to let him go. Now if you come back again, you gotta go with me now. Alright, that's the last one. I don't need any more. I should have turned my camera on, man. Florida wildlife just pulled up on me. But it gotta be quicker than that. Just got my fishing license before I came out here from Walmart. I need to stop doing 3-day ones and just go ahead and give me a year if I'm gonna be out here in Florida. As much as I'm out here, let's go ahead and buy me for a year. They should let you Georgia and Florida use the same license, man. Oh, I almost had one more. I'm gonna do one more. Alright, the brown fishing is like the best fishing ever, man. I can't stop once I get started. That's the last one, man. Oh, one was right there. I pulled it too fast. There you go. Oh, I think he let it go. He's still on there. He's still on there. Oh yeah. Don't slow roll him. Oh, he a baby. It don't matter. Go on with us. Dang, I got you in the eye. My bad, bro. I don't even want the camera to see you like that, bro. I'm gonna turn you off. Nah, it wasn't in his eye. I turned you off for no reason, man. Got you right on the top of your gums, though. Alright. Let's go catch some catfish. Let's go catch some catfish. Look at this beautiful pond, man. So this thing used to be clear. And I believe it because the water that's in here, out of the pond. You see how clear that water is. Alright. One just grabbed me. He's the last one for real. Little baby. You guys are gonna make some good catfish birds. Alright. Let's get out of here. We got about 8 or 7, I don't know, 2, 4, 6, 8 bluegill. That should be more than enough. So we got everything baited up. Live bluegill. I got a couple more big ones that I use as cut bait. I put some worms in there to feed them and dirty up the water. But we'll sit right here for an hour and then we'll move some stuff around if nothing gets bit. Hopefully we catch something. Oh shoot. I think I got a bite here. Oh, here it is. Got him. Got him. Oh. Finally. Got a little small cat. Yeah, this is a little small kitty.
Dinner?
I mean, yeah, he'll be dinner. He would be perfect dinner. Little channel cat. This the first one. The first one.
That's a good size one, man.
Yeah, nice eater. That's pretty. What's going on, man? So yesterday we fished for some bluegill for bait. We caught about 8 of them. Ran into a Florida wildlife officer, conservation officer. We beat him though. We beat him. You know what I'm saying? I had the license on me. Everything was all good. Went and did a little catfishing. Caught 1 channel cat. So this is day 2. We are out at, this is Lake Talquin. I'm at the High Bluff Fishing Pier. So I got about 3 or 4 more bluegill left. I'm gonna use them as cut bait. And we're gonna see if we can get off some big cats today. So stay tuned with me. Okay, so after a long hike of getting all my stuff over here to the pier, we're finally here. I need to get me one of those carts. I could put everything on. But it's beautiful, man. This spot is beautiful. This is Lake Talquin. I'm at the High Bluff Pier. And it's lovely. The water, I looked at the lake on the graph, and where I'm at, deepest it get is about 8 feet. And that's more over this way. You get about 8 feet and get about 10 close towards that island, but I'm not gonna be able to cast that far. I need to get me some surf rods or something. The deepest points in this whole lake is about 30 feet. So I gotta do my research and try to figure out where can I go to kind of bank fish towards the deeper parts of this water. But right now we're gonna work with what you got. So let's go fishing, baby. First piece gonna be a head piece. I'm gonna throw him. Thought there was a fish over there going crazy. I'll throw him more out in the channel. Some birds are gonna fight. Let's get a body section. Throw that body section straight ahead. Trash. Gotta get a new reel for this one, man. New reel coming soon. Hopefully something swims up in there. I want some bluegill. Last little body section. I got 3 baits out of 1 bluegill, man. How you do that? It's a beautiful lake. Looking over at my other rod, it was kind of, oh my God. That's crazy. We gotta get some more bluegills. Didn't get too much out of him. I want a little headpiece. Probably should have made that headpiece bigger, but yeah, we'll try a little headpiece. Try that little headpiece. See if they like it out here. 2 heads in the body section. That's what we're going with today. Little baby headpiece. Let's see if we can catch some more bluegill. We still got some worms from yesterday. And there's also a trash cast. What the heck? Let them bait soak. I think if I was a bluegill, I would be in this spot. Maybe not. Here, bluegill. Locals probably come up in here and kill fish, man. This is a beautiful spot. I can see a lot of bass fishing going on over here in this shallow. Oh, he came over there running for that worm, boy. Oh, this I thought he did. Let me put some more worm on it. Getting a little bite here. Something. He ain't take it yet though. I'll wait on the takedown. Alright. He got it. I think it's a turtle, cuz. Yeah, it's a turtle. That ain't no fish. I gotta be a turtle. He ain't even running. Dang. Thought we finally had a fish, man. I think I'm stuck on something. He done ran me in some structure. Maybe it is a fish. Oh, I got him out. I think There's a fish. Got him out. No, ain't no fish. It can't be. He ain't running, man. He just laying. Oh, my God. Big at that turtle. My look. It's a big boy turtle though. Alright. You are big. You should park my line, please. Jesus Christ, here. Well, I think that's skunked. I think we're done fishing for today. Let me get this turtle out. I knew you were a turtle. Christ, you big boy. I don't know if I can get you in the net. The water is. Whoa. Yeah, I can't even reach down there. Technical difficulties. I'll be back. After fishing out here for hours and hours, I got 2 rods over there with bluegills on them. And I decided to throw this crappie reel around with this artificial black worm. I like some pretty good bass fishing spots over here. See if we could pull some fish out, man. It's been a slow day on the water for fishing. So we'll see if we can pull something out. In these grassy areas. The hard part gonna be getting it up here. The water's kind of low, and my net is not that long. I done got a net, and that was not long enough. Ain't that something, man? Very bassy. Yeah, ain't nothing like a black trick worm. Want some 2-pound mono. I'm gonna pull them out though. Finally, boy. It's been like a turtle again. Oh, there you go. Man, let that shit go. Sheesh. I feel like we got skunked today, man. Hold on. I feel like we got skunked today, man. We caught a turtle. We caught a turtle, that's it, man. But I think we got skunked, man. Yesterday we caught a channel catfish and about 8 bluegill. Today we ain't hit on nothing, man. It was a rough day. Hey, man, that's how it be sometimes out here. I'm going fishing again Saturday morning at my wife's uncle private pond. Hopefully we can do a little catch, clean, and cook for you guys. But I'm signing out, man. I might go get drunk, man. You know, work in the morning. Hey, man, keep fishing, man. Fish every day, man. Let's go fishing. We almost to the top, man. We almost there. Like, comment, subscribe, share, man. I need y'all to share my videos. I need more subscribers. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 mark, man. Get me to 1,000, baby. I'm signing out, man. Fat Beats, let's get it, baby.